Winter is here, and homeowners with air conditioners face the same dilemma every year. Should you cover your AC unit during the colder months? Options differ, and today we'll break down the pros, cons, and alternatives to help you decide. Stick around for a key tip at the end that might surprise you. Why cover your AC in winter? Air conditioners are a big investment, so protecting them from snow, ice, and debris seems like a no-brainer. Falling leaves can clog vents, and ice that melts and refreezes might damage fan blades or coils. But here's the thing. Modern air conditioners are built to withstand harsh winters. Most units have durable exteriors designed to handle snow, wind, and ice without additional protection. Drawbacks of covering your AC. Covering your AC isn't always the best idea. Moisture traps. Covers can trap condensation, leading to rust or mold. Rodents. A covered unit can become a cozy shelter for mice and squirrels, which might chew wires or build nests inside. Rodents and rust, two big reasons to skip the cover. What about heat pumps? If you have a heat pump, the rule is simple. Do not cover it. Heat pumps operate year-round, often switching to heating mode in winter. Covering them restricts airflow, which can lead to overheating or poor efficiency. Should snow worry you? Snow itself usually isn't a threat. Modern air conditioners are built tough with weather-resistant materials. However, snow that's plowed or shoveled onto the unit can pack into vents, adding unnecessary weight and potentially damaging refrigerant lines. Pro tip: keep snow from piling onto your AC unit. Alternatives to full covers. If you are not sold on covering your AC completely, here are the better options. Soft covers, lightweight breathable covers that protect the top of the unit. Plywood protection. Place a sheet of plywood on top, weighted down with bricks. This blocks falling debris like icicle or branches. Shelters. Build an awning or small structure above the unit. It protects against snow while allowing ventilation. Important. Make sure any shelter doesn't block airflow. Maintenance is key. Whether your unit is covered or not, seasonal maintenance is crucial. Clear leaves and debris from vents in the fall and check for rust or damage in the spring. So, should you cover your AC in winter? For most people, it's not necessary. Modern units are built to handle cold weather without extra protection. But if you live in an area with heavy snow or falling debris, consider alternatives like plywood or a light cover. And here's the ultimate tip. Always check your manufacturer's recommendations for your specific model. They know your unit best. Want more tips to keep your home running efficiently this winter? Subscribe to our channel for expert advice on heating, cooling, and beyond.